Good afternoon, y'all. My name is Joe. Welcome back to Z Fighter Performance Garage. On today's vlog, we're going to be diving not into the 2000 Dodge Viper GTS, but into a couple of cars that we currently already have. They're running and driving, but they need some maintenance on them. So we're going to be going through a 1986 Nissan 200ZR, as well as the convertible Z31 that we had in a previous video. To just kind of wrap those up, and we may be heading out to a car show today, I'm not sure. Also, in today's video, we are getting our Z32 that I've kind of hinted at in a previous video as well. That should be in as well, so hopefully you like today's video.
Well, we're here today and we have no idea what's going on, but we're going to try to figure out why this thing's not running right. We're going to just go down to the basics here, see if it's getting fuel, the correct amount of fuel pressure actually. So let's see if it's getting a correct spark. Narrow down all those things first, and then go from there, I guess.
Perfect. Perfect. So basically where we're at, we have pulled off the stock top mount intercooler, the bracket that sits on top of the engine that holds the stock intercooler. We also removed the center part. There's 10 Allen key screws that you'll have to remove, and then you just pull up on the center part to gain access to your coil packs, which are right here. And then we're going to use a 8mm ratchet to unscrew the coil packs and gain access to our spark plugs. Yeah. Perfect. So we've pulled out all 6 coil packs as well as all 6 plugs. We did find one pretty bad issue with them. This is not too bad, not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. That's definitely a problem. Our 5th spark plug was broken. So that's possibly the miss and why we thought it was running on like 4 cylinders, but technically I guess it would be 5. but we're going to go ahead and put some brand new spark plugs in it, new fuel filter, fuel line, and test fuel pressure. Get all the new plugs put in, clean up the coil packs, put them back in, reassemble everything up top, and go from there. You had 2,000. Only had 2,000 grit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's polishing. I need something to get the old junk off. And then you had a 40 pad, and I was like, eh.
Oh, yeah, we might have used all of it.
Yeah.
What are you saying? Tell you, hey, Joe, do me a favor.
What's up?
That the fuel filter deal honky.
Yeah.
Just get the new one and
Make the lines.
Yeah, make the lines.
Okay.
I want to check out the timing belt on this thing too while we're in here.
All right. So basically what we're going to be doing is taking this old fuel line, fuel filter setup, measuring, cutting, and creating this, but with our new setup. Also, our top plate is oxidized. We're going to go ahead and wet sand this down, polish it up, and get it and clear it out so that way it looks way better than it is right now. Old, new, ready to go on. And wet sanding this lovely Nissan twin cam 24 valve. Get it back shiny and nice.
Okay, cool. I don't know. Depends on how quickly we figured it out. We'll probably be here for a while. We're going to try to go to that little car show around 7 or so, 6:30 or 7. Okay. Yeah.
All right, what we about to do there, Mike?
About to check the fuel pressure.
All right, makeshift, put everything back together to test it. All right, ready?
Just prime it real quick.
10-fold.
Prime it again. Start. Oh. Got good fuel pressure.
Hold on. Definitely sounds a lot healthier.
30 pounds of fuel pressure. I don't know what.
That definitely sounds way better. But then again, it's not warmed up yet. So basically we just finished up on the 200ZR. We're about to head out to a car show. What we did was took off the top mount intercooler. Then we removed the coil pack cover, took all the coil packs out, took all the spark plugs out, put new spark plugs in, cleaned the coil packs, reinstalled the coil packs, went ahead and removed the air cleaner, cleaned that, and basically reassembled everything. We also obtained a new fuel filter with some new fuel line, and basically all of that got the car running back tip-top shape. We are now heading over to the car show, rocking a bunch of 300ZXs and a Nissan 350Z. We got our 80s Z31, and then we've got our Z32 that I'm driving, a 94 Z32 convertible, and then behind me we have a JDM slick top Z32 twin turbo, and behind him we have a 350Z. Good morning, y'all. Next day here. Unfortunately, we were unable to get to the 84 Nissan 300ZX Strawman convertible. It did not make the trip out to the car show, as you saw, but that's okay. We'll try and wrap that car up either during the week or next weekend and try and get it out there. The 200ZR did take quite a bit of time. As you saw, we did tear quite a bit apart, and we did get it running back to, 99%. It's not 100% just because of how old it is. I mean, we did kind of see that it might need a timing belt here fairly soon, but that's okay. But anyways, because that took so long, we were unable to take delivery of the new Z32 project, but it's on its way right now. We're gonna take delivery of it today, and she's here finally.
So what all does this thing need?
I have no clue.
Car wash.
Yeah. Now let's move that. That's good.
Where do you want this?
That'll be fine. We'll just push it off right here. So as you saw in today's video, we did receive our 1993 Nissan 200ZX Slick Top. It's our new project build that we're going to be doing. The reason we picked this car up, it does currently have a V8 swap already in the car, mounted to the stock Z32 5-speed transmission. Pretty cool. We don't really know how far along the build was, but we are going to try and get it running and driving, possibly a turbo kit, supercharger kit here in the near future. So that's a good possibility. We also did wrap up our 1986 Nissan 200ZR. Ran great, went to the car show, everybody liked it, and hopefully we can get on the Dodge Viper. The parts should be in tomorrow, and we'll go forward from there. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you get all new content coming to the channel.